Racing just started. We have Aloha. Break quickly at the start. Coriniac moving up now. Warriors and hammer it home. Geronimo in the middle portion. Running by the rail comes Tabaco is Park and Getty. Then comes Manila Magic. Mr. Savior rushing up now is Jupiter Thunder. Then next online is Royal Hayres Tempest. Perfection Racing secondless. While Interceptor is racing in 14th. Back to the leader, we have Aloha by our neck, moving up down on the inside, and Getty moving up now on the outside. Hammer it home, Mr. Savior, Manila Magic in the middle portion. And as they swing for home, Aloha and Getty is lifting down on the inside. We have two entries fighting out for the leader. Aloha and Getty, Aloha and Getty, hammer it home, Manila Magic. Last 50 meters, we have Aloha, and finally, Aloha. Second, and Getty. Then comes number 2A, hammer it home, Manila Magic, Royal Hayres, and Mr. Savior.
Natuloy na.